So let's get right into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video of my new Louis Vuitton bag that I just purchased the other day. I went to Glendale, and the mall is called the Americana in Glendale, and I purchased my Louis Vuitton bag. So let's get right into it. So it comes in this bag here, and so I kind of already took it out. I took it out of this box, but it comes in here because the bow is just really hard to, I like to keep the bow on it. I don't know, I'm weird like that, like the packaging, but it comes in here. And then you get the receipt. You put the receipt in here, like the whole experience, and it comes in this. So it's in that box. I just took it out because I was impatient and I couldn't wait. And so it comes in this dust bag here. I'm gonna open it up, and it is the Damier Azur canvas. I know it's not pink, but the interior is, which is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite color. It's so pretty, it's so lovely. I'm just like obsessed with it. And I was literally debating if I should get a never full bag or this one here, but I tend to always like little small purses because I can just do like a crossbody, or you know, just on the side, or you can do it like a fanny pack. So there's different ways you can wear this. So I'm more of a small bag kind of girl, but then sometimes I like a bigger bag. So I'm kind of thinking about getting the never full bag next. So we'll see. And for being such a small bag, there's like so much space in here. I know you're like, no, it's not, but it really is. If you're like into small bags, you'll know that this is a lot of space. Then it has two inserts. And this insert here is for all your credit cards, and actually it's a lot of them, you know, for all your cards. And then you can put your money in here, and it comes with this. This is like a bonus, like an extra. Like this is super cute. And also you can put like your money in here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in here yet, because I'm not gonna put coins in there because I'm not gonna ruin the pink in there. But there's like a lot of space, and it's pink. I think I can add this to another bag. I'm not sure, but it's like perfect to just throw in another bag or something. And then, yeah, so this is, oh, and it comes with a chain. The chain is really pretty. It's like literally like a necklace, like an accessory. It's really pretty. And I can also see the Louis Vuitton in the front where it closes. And yeah, there's a lot of space in here. You can also put your phone in here. And that is, yeah, I'm not sure what this is, but I guess barcode. Take that out. And yeah, so a lot of space. And let me put this back in here, and I will show you the different looks that you can get with this. Overall, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I was thinking about getting this other one too, because there's another Felicie. So this bag is called the Felicie. I really hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's called the Felicie Pochette, and canvas Damier Azur. So, and then the interior is rose ballerine. So what I was saying is, there's another one that's all pink, but it's a different type of, I guess canvas. And I did read like reviews about it. It's like it's too delicate, where it's like anything can kind of just damage the bag. So I was like, no. I mean, I think I'm gonna have to baby this one as well, but I feel like I can take care of this one a lot more than the other one. So yeah, I went ahead and got this one, guys. I love it. It's so pretty, lovely little bag here. So another thing too, I wanted to ask you guys. So I want to purchase a new bag, which is the Never Full, which I was debating on. If you do have the Never Full bag, which one would you recommend? Comment below, because I do have the Damier Ebene. This is a vintage bag. They don't sell this anymore. I like this bag, but the only thing about this bag, it's not pink interior inside. So like from now on, I just want pink interior. This is red. But yeah, so I'm like debating if I should get the Damier Neverfull bag or the canvas, which is a bigger bag, or the Damier Azur, but and they're both pink inside, and or either one of these two, but in a Neverfull bag. So comment below to see which one you guys would recommend, because I already have this one and I have this one, so I'm just like, should I even get the Neverfull bag? Like, I don't know, because I want a bigger bag sometimes, like to carry anything else. This one's just super tiny. But yeah, guys, this is the purse, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below if you guys want to see more videos like these, so I can go hunt down my new purse. Maybe it, well, my really ultimate goal is a Chanel bag. I don't own a Chanel bag, but I do own Louis Vuitton. So I don't know if you guys want to see more videos like these. Comment below. The more I know that you guys like videos like these, the more I will do them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.